Welcome back friends. Welcome to Human Peritus, your single stop solution for UGC NET पेपर 1. So आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं इंडियन लॉजिक के अनदर टॉपिक से जिसको हम बोलते हैं उपमान या हम बोलते हैं कंपैरिजन. So इसमें यहाँ पे देखा गया है कि जो इंडियन लॉजिक के जितने भी PYQs हैं, हमारा जो उसको करवाने का मेन एम है कि हम स्टूडेंट्स को बता पाएँ कि what all are being expected by a student to prepare in from this new topic which has been introduced almost 4 to 5 years back, and we can have a more familiarity. Students can get an idea that where they have to focus their more energy, what are the important terms that are coming again and again, and it become easier for them to crack the UGC NET पेपर 1. सो इंडियन लॉजिक के उपमान के टॉपिक के PYQ से चलने से पहले हमारे ह्यूमन पेरिटस का जो चैनल है उसमें प्लेलिस्ट है इंडियन लॉजिक के ऊपर, जिसमें हमने इंडियन लॉजिक से रिलेटेड काफ़ी क्लासेस कवर अप की हैं और आने वाली न्यू एंड अपडेटेड वीडियोस ऑन इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटिंग टू UGC NET पेपर 1 एंड इंडियन लॉजिक करने के लिए डोंट फॉरगॉट टू सब्सक्राइब ह्यूमन पेरिटस चैनल. सो लेट्स गो ahead with the LMS platform of Human Peritus. So Human Peritus का जो LMS platform है उसमें आज हमारा topic of discussion is उपमान, and उपमान is what it talks about the knowledge based upon similarity or resemblance, और उपमा और मान का जो इसमें बाइफर्केशन हो रखा है, समथिंग विच इज उपा मीन समथिंग विच इज नियर एंड क्लोज एंड अंडरस्टैंड, मान इज समथिंग दैट रिलेट्स टू और टॉक्स अबाउट नॉलेज और अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो उपमान इज द नॉलेज विच वी हैव गेन बाय कंपेयरिंग विद अ नोन ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है, and as a result of which it results in the formation of a relationship between a word and its denotation, that is an object which denotes that word. So upman mostly talks about all these things, and there are three important terms: that upamyam that talks about subject of the comparison, upamanam that is the object, and samanya is the shared attribute. Next we move on to the classification of upman, that is there are three classifications: sadrishye, sadharmye, second is vedharmye, and asadharana. Sadrishye is the similarity based comparison where the knowledge is being arrived or derived by comparing it two things on the basis of similarity being possessed by two of the articles being considered. And vedharmye is something which is where the comparison is based upon dissimilarity. In this knowledge, the dissimilarity between the compared article with the base article results in the formation of knowledge. And asadharana is something that is a peculiarity based comparison, and that results in the formation of a new result in formation of a valid mean or valid source of knowledge. This is all is required to know on this topic of upman, and let's move on to the PYQs which have come in the UGC NET paper. UGC NET पेपर 1 के रिलेटेड हमारी इंडियन लॉजिक की इससे पहले इंट्रोडक्टरी और परसेप्शन से रिलेटेड भी वीडियोस अपलोड हो रखी है, एंड कमिंग डेज में वी विल बी अपलोडिंग मोर ऑफ देम, एंड फॉर दैट प्लीज प्रेस द बेल आइकन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब ह्यूमन पेरिटस चैनल. The first question is, according to classical Indian school of logic, also known as न्याय स्कूल ऑफ लॉजिक, नॉलेज अगर इसकी जगह पे न्याय स्कूल ऑफ लॉजिक आए या इंडियन स्कूल ऑफ लॉजिक आए, बोथ मीन्स द सेम. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज कि दूसरे स्कूल ऑफ थॉट की बात कर रहे हैं. इंडियन लॉजिक या थ्योरी ऑफ नॉलेज या न्याय स्कूल ऑफ लॉजिक, all of them are same in meaning. Knowledge derived from comparison and which roughly corresponds to analogy is what is known as upman or comparison, because it talks about some knowledge which is based upon resemblance, or similarity. So the correct option is C, Upman, because Arthapati is an independent means of valid source which is based upon implication. It does not talk about the analogy or comparison or resemblance. It never talks about the knowledge derived on the basis of knowing a known object, and on the basis of that we try to derive an information about the unknown object. इस उपमान के टॉपिक में जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, ठीक है, जो देखा गया है कि उसके अंदर हमारे एग्जाम्पल है गाव्य, दैट इज अ वाइल्ड काउ, वेयर अ पर्सन who has never seen a gavve, that is a wild cow, he or she is being guided by his or her friend that the wild cow is almost similar to a normal cow, and when he goes to a jungle or some forest, he is able to make a resemblance or make a familiarity that this is a wild cow because it resembles a cow. So this is how every time the examiner is asking the same type of example, same type of words are being used for forming questions on Upman or Shabda or perception. Examples unke same hai, there is no variation in that, and even if there is a variation, it is almost similar to what already has come in the exams earlier. And Anuman is talking about the inference, which is not right. So Upman is talking about comparison or resemblance, and Anuplabdhi, this is the right, and Anuplabdhi talks about the non-existence. So the correct option over here is C, Upman. Next question is, given below are two stated, Upmati is also one of the term Upman is known as. Upmati is defined as knowledge of relation between a word and its denotation, that is object denoted by that word. ठीक है, सो डिनोटेशन मीन्स आपको कोई वर्ड है और उससे रिलेटेड आपने कोई ऑब्जेक्ट प्रेजेंट करा. Say for example, there is, we have seen in India, there is in America, there is it just looks similar to the Indian buffaloes which is known as bison, and Asia के अंदर वो Asian bisons के नाम से जाने जाते हैं. So एक bison is a word और उससे related हमने एक object denote करा, that is known as Asian bison. So there is a resemblance, there is a familiarity, and on the basis of that we can say that the knowledge of जो हमारी एशियन बाइसन की जो नॉलेज है, इट अकर्स ड्यू टू इट्स सिमिलैरिटी विद द अमेरिकन बाइसन. सो इपमती इज व्हाट, इट इज अ नॉलेज विच इज डिराइव फ्रॉम कंपैरिजन, दैट इज द एनालॉजी, एंड हियर वी ट्राई टू कंपेयर अ अननोन ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज एशियन बाइसन with a known object that is known as American bison. So this is the right statement, and verbal testimony is the statement of trustworthy person, and it consists in understanding its meaning. So it is an authoritative statement given by a veteran and expert in his or her field, and that is considered a valid and reliable source of information. So therefore both statement 1 and 2 are correct. So the correct option is A over here. Third, the knowledge of relation between name and an object denoted by that name is what? The already repetition of the statement which we have done in the last question is known as comparison. So answer is D over here. Which of the following is not necessary step when you present an argument based on inference before the others according to classical Indian school of logic? So अगर हम इन 4 ऑप्शंस को देखते हैं, सो निगमा एंड उपान्य एंड उदाहरणा, these are the one of type of propositions that are coming under the inference. So 5 propositions के types हैं, 5 members हैं. निगमा talks about the किसी भी statement का conclusion, ठीक है, जो हम अभी inference and fallacies वाले क्लास में we will be covering each and every topic वी विल बी कवरिंग दी निगमा उपान्य उदाहरणा के रिलेटेड जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं हम उसको कवर अप करेंगे. एंड फॉर दैट इन फैक्ट इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट how well we have studied these terminologies, because there have been a lot many questions on inference and fallacies. So in coming classes we would be discussing the PYQs on inference and fallacies. So don't forget to subscribe Human Peritas channel. Upanya is where there is a present of universal concomitance between the minor and the major term, middle and the major term, and udharana is talks about an example. So upanya की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, upanya is what? Upanya is the application of universal concomitance या relationship between middle and the major term. So the correct option जो एक necessary step नहीं है, argument based on inference उपमान, because this is the right option because it only talks about comparison or analogy. Rest are the type of classification of inferences, that is nigama, see udharana. These are the classification of inference. Nigama talks about the conclusion. Upanya is the present application of universal concomitance. Concomitance is what? Concomitance होता है एक तरीके का relationship, ठीक है, where we try to develop a relationship between middle term and the major term. And उदाहरण as the name itself says, it's an example. Example को हिंदी में हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? उदाहरणा. So the correct option is C, B over here, comparison and analogy. Consider the example provided below. This gavve is like my cow. So gavve here over here is the wild cow, and here the knowledge which is being derived from the understanding of already known object. So known object यहाँ पे क्या है? Cow, जिसके बारे में हमें already पता है. And when we see a wild cow which is also known as gavve, so a man who has never seen a gavve or a wild cow and does not know what it looks like, so he has been told by his friend that a wild cow resembles like a cow, and subsequently when he come across that wild cow in a forest and he is able to recognize that this wild cow is gavve because of his knowledge which he has been derived from the upman. He heard the word wild cow and has been told that it looks like a cow. So यहाँ पे known object हमारा cow हो गया and gavve हमारा यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? That is the unknown object. So knowledge which is derived by comparing an unknown object with a known object is known as comparison. So the correct option जो correct है is A, because implication is not the right option. Perception तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है because there is no direct and immediate cognition, and inference भी नहीं है because ये एक तरीके की comparison हो रही है. Inference में क्या होता है? Inference is it is something which where the cognition that presupposes some other cognition. So here we are not presupposing it, we are just making the use of resemblance and familiarity of already existing object over here which is cow. So the correct option is A, comparison. Also there can be, इसकी जगह उपमान भी आ सकता है, comparison भी आ सकता है, so both one are the same, one of them are both same thing. Then which of the following is true regarding Upman as a means of knowledge according to Nyaya school? So Upman is a knowledge derived from comparison. Okay. Then it roughly corresponds to analogy. Yes, that is a relation that relates to the similarity or resemblance. It is defined as a knowledge of relation between a word and its denotation perfectly fine. And it is a kind of anuman. No, it is not a kind of anuman. It is an independent source of valid knowledge as per Nyaya school of Indian logic, and it is the third independent source of valid knowledge, Upmati. So when we consider it, so the correct option is C over here, A, B and C only. Then an American is told by his friend that Asian buffalo is like bison in such and such respects. ठीक है? So here there is a there is a situation is being conveyed to the student, and he has to identify that ये statement कौन से source of means of knowledge को प्रेजेंट करती है या किस सोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज का ये इंस्टेंस है. व्हेन द अमेरिकन विजिट एशिया एंड कम्स अक्रॉस अ बफेलो, ही कम्स टू नो दैट द एनिमल सीन बाय हिम इज बफेलो. Which of the following means of knowledge? I have already discussed this type of situation and example with you earlier. So the right answer is this means of knowledge is known as comparison or upman. Rest are not the correct option because arthapati, perception and shabda does not correspond to a relationship between a word and an object denoted by its word. It is not something which is based upon similarity or resemblance. So correct option is B over here. Now, which one of the following sources of knowledge, praman, in classical Indian philosophy is based upon similarity of an unobserved, जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं unknown object also with a known object. So this is what we have covered in the definition itself, that it is nothing but it is known as upman, arthapati, anuman. These are not the sources of knowledge where similarity of an unobserved object relates with the known object. So the correct option is C over here, upman or comparison. In which of the following means of knowledge a hitherto unseen object is known through the cognition of its similarity in some respects with an already seen object? So if we understand the statement till this point, we say that the knowledge derived from understanding of a known object with the understanding of a known object, and knowledge similarity हमारी define हो रही है where we are having the understanding of a known object and then we are able to derive the resemblance and familiarity with an unknown object. So already seen object, when one comes across that hitherto unseen object, so this is the means of knowledge is comparison, upman, and the rest options are not correct. So the correct option is upman. So जब आपका unseen, unknown object, similarity, resemblance, familiarity, relationship between word and its denotation, this is all what type of terminologies we can see in all the PYQs relating to upman or comparison. So answer is C over here. Now sadharme praman, vaidharme praman. Sadharme is the similarity based comparison. Example, when we compare we can say resemblance of a nilgau with the with the cow, ठीक है, जो हमारी normal cow होती है उनकी हम resemblance कर रहे हैं नीलगाय की with the due to its similarity with the cow. Then vaidharme, so sadharme is the similarity based comparison. And the second one, which is vaidharme, it is and third is asadharan, जैसे इसका नाम है, this is something which talks about the असाधारण talks about the peculiarity based comparison. Something, there is a peculiarity feature of a person which make them differ from the other people, or we can give an example of an animal, rhinoceros, because of that horn it possesses. It looks dissimilar because of this peculiar feature. It looks dissimilar from rest of the phenomena or the rest of the animal. So this is the peculiarity. Peculiar feature होता है ना किसी चीज का, based comparison. So the correct option is that these are the kinds of comparison. Rest are incorrect option over here, because perception की ये kinds है ही नहीं. It is something different. Inference की other kinds हैं which will be covering in the, which we have already covered in the classes of Indian logic or auxiliary PYQs we will be doing in the coming classes, and videos of human peritus. And implication, there are no kinds of implication, but implication is something which talks about presupposition or postulation. So the correct option is B over here, which is comparison. So with this we have come to an end to the PYQs related to Upman, Indian School of Indian Logic. And if you want to clear UGC NET exam, so you can take free trial class from Human Peritus, and don't subscribe to Forget Human Peritus channel. Thank you.